Bhandari. I am a bariatric and a metabolic surgeon. The skill center, the only one of its kind in central India and probably India. We came up with the idea that there was a big gap between the amount of surgeons and physicians we are producing. So as far as the cardiology is concerned, we have tied up with different companies and we are trying to start up with different type of courses which are specifically related to cardiology. And one of the finest model is the wet lab model, where we have installed a digital cath lab. I think it is the only digital cath lab installed in a wet lab in the country, where we are training not only for normal angiographies or peripheral angiographies, but also for angioplasties, complex stent procedures, intravenous ultrasound, and also different types of rotablation devices available. This particular institute is known as Laser Laparoscopy Academy of Surgical Education and Research. It is basically a skill center which is attached to our medical college, Sri Aurobindo Medical College and Postgraduate Institute. When I went for my training to Strasbourg for minimal access surgery, I felt that there is a long gap which exists in our country between the number of surgeons who want to pursue laparoscopic surgery and the training institutes. We need to develop a lot of training models, need to develop surgeons who can use these training models to decrease their learning curve. Because ultimately, if they are not decreasing their learning curve, it will take a long time for them to come into the mainstream. To take a surgeon into the mainstream, it is important that the surgeon develops his own training model, try and practice over the training model and decrease his learning curve, enhance his skill. To enhance this skill, we have developed this beautiful animal OT. It's a modular animal OT, one of its kind. The facilities which we have procured at this particular place are one of the best in the world. It is of international standards. I'll take you to one of the stations of this particular animal OT. This animal OT is a 10-station animal OT, and it's made up of a material which is fabricated by steel and epoxy coated, just like it is present in a normal human OT. If I take you towards the station of this particular animal OT, then we will find that here we are using pig as the training model. And to use pig as a training model, we are permitted by the CPSCA and the Ministry of Environment. But we need to comply to a lot of regulations. We have to treat animals in a very humane manner. They are for our experimental purposes, but we have to give them care more than we have to give to a human patient.